Now we're making pizza. We got garbanzo, fava beans, and some other chickpeas and stuff for the dough. And then for the sauce, we have organic basil sauce, this one. And after that, we're gonna put on some veggies. Now we're chopping up the veggies. We got onions, red bell peppers, jalapenos, and yellow bell peppers, along with some olives. They're also organic, and a celery. We decided not to put celery on it. Instead, we're gonna put artichokes. This one. So now we just sprinkle it on top of the 2 pans of pizza. And we're gonna put cashew cheese on top of it at the end. Alright, here's the finished product. We got all of the ingredients on it. Now we're just gonna put it into the oven to bake it for a little bit. Now I added the cashew cheese on top, just a little bit for flavor. I put it on 400 degrees, and now I just let it sit there for several minutes until it's well done. Alright, it just came out of the oven. I was gonna try a little piece of it. See how that is. Tastes pretty good. Cheese didn't really melt though. How's the pizza?
I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it's delicious.
Alright, this is the final product. I dished it out to all the plates. And we also got persimmons, apples, and some kiwi as an appetizer.